gonna hit that one guy so hard
that I'm gonna,
like
explode. Well, I'm gonna
You're gonna explode then.
I'm gonna incinerate. My car is just gonna. Well, at least there'll be a camera showing everything.
Capture that moment.
Yep, capturing the moment of my death.
This is at James Dangerman on Twitter and also on Instagram. Final words. Screw you, Connor. Those are one of my final words. I hope he dies by my car. Also, I want to thank my mom, God.
Yeah, I guess he's got
go Bills. Yeah.
Alright, we're here with the Holiday Valley City Garage Demolition Derby car. I want to thank all my sponsors for putting me out here today. Team 4278 Racing, God bless America. Just want to say thanks to Mom and Dad, Copenhagen Bud Light. We're going to smash it. Woo!
Like, do you want to feel my heart beating? It's like.